Okay, so function number 23. So this is the interface for the button. This is where if you push the button for a short period of time, your output would stay on for set time. Let's say when you push the button, you want your light to stay on for 1 minute. If you push button one more time before that minute expires, it will turn the light off. So one push, it will keep the light on for a minute. You push the button once, the light turns on. You push the button second time, it turns off. If you push the button for about a second longer, for about a second, it will stay on until you release the trigger. So if you push the button and holding it, you have a light. It will not time out until you and it will not turn off or time out. You would need to release the button. So that will be the function 23, and the trigger, in our case we have a trigger connected to the ground, so that will be trigger 4. So let's configure that. Let's configure the light for 5 seconds. So we're going to the programming mode, setting up the time to 5 seconds. Going to function menu, setting up trigger to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and function to 23. One, 2, 3. Okay, turn the power off, turn the power on. So if we push the button once, we have the light on, stays on 5 seconds. If we push the button once and push it one more time, it turns off. So let's say if you set it, for a long time, let's say 1 hour, when you push the button, your light stays on for 1 hour. If when it stays on, if you decide to turn it off, you just push the button one more time and you turn it off. If you hold the button, it will stay on until you release the button. So if you want for a short period of time, you just hold the button. As soon as you release the button, it turns off. Okay, thank you. Okay, so the function 24 is the same as function 23, except there is no timeout. So if you push the button once, you have the light stays on until you push the button second time. You can do it, obviously durations could be different. If you push the button for a longer time, it stays on until you release the button. So it's the same as the prior one, we just need to set the function to 24. So you're going to into the programming mode, time doesn't matter, going to the function, trigger number 4, because we have a button connected to the ground, and function 24. One, two, three, 4. Okay, so if we push the button, the light stays on. It will never turn off until you push the button one more time. If you hold the button for a couple seconds, you release the button, the light goes off. So if you want intermediate light, you hold the button and for a longer period of time, and then as soon as you release the button, the light goes off. Short period, push turns it on, short push turns it off. Okay, that's it.